Hello and welcome back. Welcome back. It is the DMV Weave Doctor located in Bowie, Maryland. Today, I have been getting over the last couple of weeks since I really started focusing on trichology, which means in the Greek, the study of hair. So that's what I now specialize in. I'm a hair loss practitioner, and I specialize in helping women grow back their hair. We help to sell other people's products, and also we make in some of our own in-house treatments that can be shipped out to our clients. And we try to formulate and to change whatever, make everything specific to what that individual client needs. So I have been getting a lot of questions on what are the main products that I will be selling. And this is one of the brands. I don't know if you can see it, XTC. And now XTC has been around for a long time. It's been around for between 25, I believe, 30 years. It has been approved by many dermatologists use it. And the board that I'm a part of, which is the Trichology board, which actually in different countries is a branch of dermatology. So pretty much it all falls into the health of the scalp, the hair, and yes, so that is all the information regarding trichology. So anyways, it's XTC. This brand is a very approved. This is a verified brand. A lot of dermatologists use this, and people were asking me about some of the products that I will be selling. I briefly had talked about. I don't know if I have it right now. I don't have the other set, but that is the restoration products, and those are for my ladies who are looking for something, who are not ready to dive into the full product package. This is the full product package, which has, I believe, 4 products in one, and this particular special is $250, and it comes with a nutrient booster, scalp prep, BioCure shampoo, and extreme growth therapy. While our other mini, I call it the hair growth pack, the mini hair growth pack, that pack just consists of the shampoo, conditioner, and drops that need to be applied twice a day. Now, I will tell anyone that is interested in purchasing our products, you must apply these products daily, especially the growth factor or the growth agents that help to stimulate the growth. What makes these products so important? There are some things out on the market right now, like minoxidil and other, not minoxidil, but I believe it's called. Actually, I have it right here. I know a lot of people use it. Nioxin, yes, Nioxin. That's a very popular brand. But this brand has similar properties to Nioxin, but it is it's a step up. So the people that have purchased this product have seen results, especially if they have followed some of the outlines and some of the suggestions given by me. So back to the hair restoration, that product is a step down. That hair pack, the mini hair pack, that one is only $110. And that one does not have as many, I believe, DHT blockers as this one. However, it works. I have clients who've been pleased with it and are content with that, and that's a very good way to start off and to see if before you really heavily invest with trichology and with some of the hair loss services. Start off on a lower end. Okay, so now we are here talking about the XTC products. Now the XTC products, this thing is off the hook. This is the bomb. You can't get no better than this. You're not going to be able to replace these products on Amazon. I've had a lot nowadays. We're in the society where a lot of people like to buy stuff online and try to, I wouldn't say not listen to people who have, I guess, I'm trying to think of the word. A lot of times people don't want to listen to the professionals or those who profess to know the knowledge in the industry because they think that we are trying to be gimmicky. However, they try to emulate or recopy what we do by going online. So you think we didn't know that. But yes, we do know that. That is what a lot of consumers do nowadays. Now you can pretty much Google and go online and find any type of information that you want. However, you need to know, instead of you trying to go and mass, reproduce what already has been known and practiced. This has been in effect for 25, 30 years, and so the other product has been in distribution for 20 years. Instead of you trying to think and figure out everything, these products have already been approved by plenty of dermatologists, licensed trichologists, who help to grow people's hair back for a living and sell these products, and their reputation is on the line. So, but that being said, I don't believe that these products are even on Amazon. So some people have been researching it. There might not be a lot out there, out on the market, because it's pretty much sold within your hair loss clinics, and things of that nature, and within your dermatologist. So we will now be talking about our hair supplement. Now, this is the Extreme DHT Inhibitor Total Hair Nutrient. And what makes these products so popular, they have, they have a lot of different combinations that help to bring out new hair growth. So I'm just going to name to you some of the things that are in this vitamin. Vitamin B, folate, biotin, iodine, zinc. Now, if you are allergic to shellfish, then we will have to alter this package and find you out and replace this with another vitamin. I do have another vitamin that does not have shellfish. Selenium, copper, manganese. And here are some of the DHT blocker, saw palmetto berry. They have a marine concentrate. So pretty much there are a lot of good things within this supplement, and you need to take it daily. It says take 2 tablets. So you need to, for 1 serving size. I guess if you want to make it stretch, you could take it 1 tablet, but for best results, it's best to take 2 tablets a day. And anything that you take is good to always get your doctor's approval. So that's number 1, this supplement. And, one of the things is good because it has a lot of, right now, a lot of people are dealing with, fear of corona. This has actually a lot of, I believe you have a little bit of zinc, your daily value of zinc in here, 100%. And zinc has been known to help. I think my camera is about to die, but I'm going to do a part 2. Zinc has been known to help to build the immune system, and to, in some studies, have been able to kill off corona. Okay, I believe this video may shut off, but we will be going on to the next item in our goodie bag. Now we have before you, this is one of my favorite products. This is the Scalp Prep. And we're going to follow up with this in our part 2. See you in a little bit.